flying high with feathers so bright. Parrots on the scene bringing pure delight. From the Amazon to the lands of foam, these birds are legendary, they are superstars. Talking parrots, they got skills. Mimicry game, they paying the bill. With a beak so sharp, they crack nuts with ease. Intelligent creatures up in the trees. Parrots in the house, they're here to stay. Colorful and clever, brightening up our day. Unleashing their voice, singing melodies so sweet. Parrot fast, dropping, he can't be beat. Rainbow hues, a feast for the eyes. Parrots strut their stuff, nothing but surprise. Red, green, blue, all shades on display. Nature's palette in a glorious array. Geeky notes from parrots live for many years. Lifelong companions through joys and tears. They solve puzzles, they crack the code. Proving their intelligence, breaking the mold. So listen up, let the parrots speak. Their wisdom and charm coming out their beat. They bring joy and laughter spreading their wings. Parrot facts rap, listen to them sing. Parrots, they adapt no matter the place. From jungles to homes, bringing joy and grace. Their feathers shimmer like a work of art. A symbol of freedom right from the start. So next time you spot a parrot in the sky, remember their brilliance, let their spirit fly.